Guys, I just want to talk about my vendor's table for a minute. On Friday night, we stopped and asked how to get a table, and they told us to come early Saturday and we'd have one. So we showed up and got a spot. It was actually very affordable, so it was a good way to start. This was just a flea market, so it was not completely ideal for a craft table. However, it had its benefits because it got me out in the community. It got my name out there, it got my face out there. So this was actually a really great thing to do. And I'm going to start doing it every Saturday through to about November.
With that said, we had about 14 hours to plan this and get this together. I did not have business cards, I did not have pricing, I did not have a plan at all. We used a lawn table that has the hole in it that you put the umbrella in it. We stuck the umbrella in it and we made it happen. We also have been gearing towards selling online. Everything is packaged because I was going to sell it online. We spent hours and hours doing product pictures and product listings on our website. That's where all this stuff is listed, but it's all the inventory we had, so we wanted to bring this with us. This was our inventory, so we were not taking it out of the packaging to do this. It's not ideal for a table. The next time as we make it, if it's going to a craft fair, we're going to have it out of the packaging, but this really did work out for a first time.
My cardboard pegboard is a recycled lawnmower box, and we just tied it to the umbrella with brown twine that I ended up finding. And the twine we ended up stringing across the top of the umbrella and down in front of the table. And I only had about 3 black binder clips, which matched my black silk sheet that we draped over the table. The cardboard standing up in the middle of the table was great because where we draped the fabric, we could bunch it up in the back, and then we had some space for our stuff that you couldn't see. It was the greatest thing I ever made. It went together really quick. I'm going to put up a tutorial, a little bit more information about that. I'm going to spray paint it black and make it look really, really nice, but I decided this time, really natural look. We picked up a square reader for about $7 at Walmart the night before. As we sat there hanging out, I made pricing stickers and a little name tag for us because I wanted my business name up there. And then I also ended up needing to make business cards. I figured a handmade business card was better than nothing at all. So at least people were seeing my name and my website and getting a little bit more information. So if they didn't buy from me right then, at least they know a little bit more about me. Maybe they can go home and check out the website, check out some of our other social media. So this was a great way to kind of put myself out there a little bit, kind of get involved. Since we didn't have price stickers for every individual item, it was easier to group them together by prices, so as people walked up, they could see a group of this price and that price. And that actually really helped us out. That was a good idea. I'm glad we did that. When I say we, I'm referring to me and my mom. She actually does epoxy art with me. She's gotten into this from the very beginning, so she was there with me, and it was a great day together. All in all, was it perfect? No. Was it ideal? No. Have I learned a lot? Absolutely. And will I do better the next time? Absolutely. I can't wait to do it again. We had a great day. We met great people. I walked around and met the other vendors. That I suggest doing. I learned a lot from them too. They were really nice. Definitely step outside of your comfort zone. If you're thinking about something, just do it. That's what we did. We were talking about these tents and wondering how they got there, and my mom just asked if I wanted to stop and ask, and I said, sure, why not? Let's do it. This is what came of it. So sometimes you just gotta step outside your comfort zone. Do something different. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Just do it. Have fun. Enjoy it.